So the thing is, you see over there, there's a girl, and that girl is not pushing on the drum or the shape, and automatically she is able to play. How is that? Yes, that's it. So what she is exactly doing is moving her leg up and body down, and by doing that, she's bringing her speed up, and then she's at the knee position. Okay, but what is that doing? What is that? Why is that? Yeah, I can put into the momentum. But what it will do, it will change the potential energy. It will give more potential energy at that stage. So now the swing has overall more energy. And it can keep swinging. Something similar is happening here. So what I'll do is, I'll pull it up. Okay, and you see I only gave it up and down motion, but it will slowly start to move sideways. Okay, and the amplitude will keep on increasing.
And then it will only go sideways.
Yeah, it will there will come a point it will only go sideways and it will not go up. Okay, so and after that it will switch back to the vertical motion again. The spring is also compressed. And now they can exchange energy